Today we're going to be looking at my first PC build. So this is my first PC build. I'm going to show you which parts I picked and why. So let's start with the case. The case is the NZXT H510. It has great build quality. The dimensions are pretty standard as it is an ATX mid-tower case. The front panel is made of glass, which makes it really nice for seeing all the cool parts inside. The back panel is great. It's easily removable by using 2 thumb screws. The front panel I/O is pretty standard with an audio jack, USB-C, and a normal USB. The case has great airflow with an intake on the front and 2 vents for air coming out the back. This allows for a nice airflow of the air in the back and up the top with the natural hot air rising to the top. The case comes with 2 standard fans, but I ended up replacing those with better fans. These fans are the Deep Cool RF 120s. They came in a 5-in-1 pack, which allowed me to have an extra spare just in case I need to replace one. Alright, let's move on to the motherboard. It is an MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by using these 2 antennas on the back. The I/O is very wide with surround audio, 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1, and 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2, and 1 USB-C. There's also a DisplayPort and HDMI for CPUs with built-in graphics. There's also built-in RGB on the front. And 2 M.2 slots. The CPU is the Ryzen 5 2600X with the Race-Spire cooler. It has 6 cores, which is great for doing many tasks at once. There's not much else I can say about this CPU. It has done amazing and it's been great. The RAM is 16GB of 2 sticks of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4. And the NVMe SSD is a 512GB from Silicon Power. This is definitely small, but I'll be adding an extra NVMe soon. Now, there is a mechanical drive. It's a 2TB from Western Digital, but don't worry, it's just for backups and long-term storage. The power supply is the Corsair CX750M. It's modular, which allows for minimal excess cables and better cable management. And now what you've all been waiting for. It's the graphics card, the EVGA GeForce RTX 2060 KO Ultra. This is a great quality graphics card for the price, and it has ray tracing. The monitor I've been using has a 60Hz refresh rate, so I've been able to max out game settings at 60 FPS, and it's worked amazing. So, now let's talk about the RGB. For RGB, the motherboard uses Mystic lighting, which controls all the colors on all the fans and the motherboard. I do recommend getting the Dragon Center app instead of the Mystic lighting one, because the Dragon Center app allows for multiple profiles and other cool features. And for all you computer nerds, here are the performance tests. The main uses for this computer is going to be game development, 3D, and gaming. And it's done amazing in all those areas. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.